हवा के झोंके आज मौसम से उठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं।
Dancing is like dreaming with your feet, and you have truly proved it today. Indeed, a spectacular performance. Thank you, Geeta ma'am.
Let us give a big round of applause to Geeta madam. Friends, at the request of our General Secretary, our Nagesh is going to sing a Tamil song. Over to Nagesh.
ஆயிரத்தில் ஒருவன், நீங்க ஆயிரத்தில் ஒருவன் தான் எங்களுக்கு. Friends, in this movie ஆயிரத்தில் ஒருவன், MGR's name is also Manimaran. அதோ அந்த பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ இந்த நதியை கூட ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே, ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே, ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். அதோ அந்த பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ அந்த அலைகள் போல ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே, ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். la la la, la la la, la la la, la la la. காற்று நம்ம அடிமை என்ற விலகதில்லையே, கடலின் நீர் என்று முன்று சுடுவதில்லையே, சுடுவதில்லையே. காலம் நம்ம விட்டு விட்டு நடப்பதில்லையே, காதல் பாசம் தாழ்மை நம்மை மறுப்பதில்லை. ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். அதோ அந்த பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ அந்த அலைகள் போல ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la. தோன்று போதும் தாயில்லாமம் தோன்றவில்லையே, சொல்லில்லாமம் மொழியில்லாமம் பேசவில்லையே, பேசவில்லையே. வாழும் போது பசியில்லாமம் வாழும் இல்லையே, போகும் போது வேறு பாதை போகவில்லையே. ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். அதோ அந்த பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ இந்த அலைகள் கூட ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் முழுவ கீதம் பாடுவோம். La la la, la la la, la la la, la la la. கோடி மக்கள் ஒன்று சேர்ந்தும் வேண்டு விடுதலை, காதல் போகந்தாலும் காணம் வேண்டும் விடுதலை, வேண்டும் விடுதலை. அச்சம் என்று ஆடி பாட வேண்டும் விடுதலை, அடிமை என்று எங்கு பூமி வேண்டும் விடுதலை. ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம். அதோ அந்த பறவை போல வாழ வேண்டும், இதோ இந்த அலைகள் போல ஆட வேண்டும். ஒரே வானிலே ஒரே மண்ணிலே ஒரே கீதம் உரிமை கீதம் பாடுவோம்.
This gathering, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everyone. Well, today is a launching, now it's a launching of a book titled as Aspire to Inspire. This is a book written by me with the help of several luminaries, inspired from a leader. The leader who has got a conviction, capacity, caliber. The leader who has got a dictum, decorum and dedication. The leader who has got a vision, wisdom and viability. The leader who is going to lead the entire public sector banks in the coming future. And that leader is none other than our GS Honorable, beloved Comrade Manimaran sir. With his inspiration and motivation, this book is written. I dedicate this book to my beloved leader, Manimaran sir. This is an inspirational traits and leadership traits. The qualities of a person which you should possess for becoming a leader in the trade unionism. This is the purpose of writing my book. Thank you. On this note, may I request Dr. Sapna to please come over the stage.
First cup, yeah. You release now. You. Remove it. One, two, Okay, thank you, madam. I request ma'am to speak a few words, please.
A very good morning to all of you here. Let me just begin by a small observation that I made. If anybody thought the bank officers were a serious, studious, dry lot, I think they need to rethink. When I was just sitting here in the gathering, I could make out on the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Canara Bank Officers Association, I see the women employees as if they have just stepped out of a movie. Each one of you here look absolutely gorgeous. And the men are no less. They are such well-dressed, smart, spirited, and a lively lot. To think that bank officers can sing so well, they can dance so well, it's such a nice thing. And to just continue with, your vision statement, which says, banking with sincerity, let me just add a small word. It is not just banking with sincerity, but then you people have taken the banking sector to a humane level and understand for thousands and millions of customers like me, it means a terrific lot. It was so nice to be a part of this because as customers, we can never have this privilege. I'm so privileged to be a part of this wonderful thing. And just a minute, let me take Manimaran sir. I have not seen you, neither have I met you before this. But sitting here for 10 minutes, I could realize the kind of the love, affection and respect that you command from so many of your colleagues. That is such a wonderful thing and such a blessing to all of you who have had the opportunity and privilege of working and being mentored by him. Again, to take a minute to congratulate Mr. Kiran Kumar. I think that's such a lovely thing that you have done. We always think we are so busy that we don't have time for anything else. But you did take time, you did make time to write something, to jot down something. That's such a beautiful thing. And to bring about a book is a very nice thing. I think when people should read it, I think it's a nice thing that you have done. And particularly to coincide on the eve of the 153rd anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, who stood for the leadership, I think it's so appropriate you brought in this book in leadership. Thank you so much. And let me again thank particularly Mr. Kiran Kumar, who has been coordinating with me. Manimaran sir, thank you so much that I had the opportunity to meet you and all the lovely bank officers. Now it makes us feel so nice and safe. We are working with a human bank like you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Really, what a performance. A special mention of Gaurang and Suman. Both are from Jharkhand and they have learned Kannada. They're speaking in Kannada, now they're singing in Kannada. So seriously, a big round of applause to them.
One of you, we, the participants of Goa region, would like to express our deep gratitude to the leadership of CBOA in general and Mr. G.V. Manimaran, our General Secretary in particular, for this lovely opportunity today and for having us here at this Golden Jubilee celebrations of Goa Bank Officers Association. We also congratulate you for the commendable work that has been constantly done by the CBOA, directing, strengthening, molding, and empowering an entire generation of Kannadites. Thanks to the team Bangalore for having this occasion at this venue, because performing in HO Auditorium is in itself a great honor for us. Well, ladies and gentlemen, draped in traditional costumes and colors, we, the Goan members of this huge CBOA family, are indeed honored to offer you glimpses of the music, dance and drama which blend together to form the essence of a culture distinctly unique and naturally beautiful. Today, we bring to you the gentle magic of the Goan Mando, which lies at the core of the Goan music heritage. It is a slow-moving and soothing song, traditionally a tale of love, passion, anguish and sorrow, or even a musical comment on our society, accompanied by the beats of the gumot, the rhythm of the guitar, and the soulfulness of the violin. It is followed by fast numbers called dulpods, which reflect the sights, sounds, and colors of everyday Goan life. Our presentation today will comprise of a mando, which will be of 2 stanzas, which is a slow number, which celebrates the wisdom of our CBOA founders, the journey of our association, and our hopes for greater glories along the way. We have specially dedicated this mando to our CBOA, and the lyrics we wanted to put here, but we are going to read it out to you in case you require, because it is in Konkani. We have specially made that song in honor of CBOA. This will be coupled with some lively dulpods which will surely drench you in the most genuine Goan experience. So sit back, ladies and gentlemen, the pleasure is all yours. That one day it would grow into a huge tree. With divine blessings, the little seed flower into a tree. It is only because the sower planted the seed then that the grandchildren can enjoy the fruits today. Our CBOA completes 50 years today. We give thanks to God for this golden celebration. Let's all join together to take it to greater heights. In things great and small, may our name always rise high. This is the English version.